Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear student, in the last class we have discussed about some problems related to speed and velocity. And here speed and velocity, it can be equal for uniform motions along a straight line. Both are same. Speed and velocity, its value is same for uniform motions along a straight line. For example, here is a object and this object, it covers 10-meter distance in 5 seconds. It covers for every second 10-meter distance. For every 5 seconds, it covers 10-meter distance in the straight line. Then this type of motion is called uniform motion. It is uniform motion. In this case, speed and velocity both are same. What is meant by speed? Speed equals to distance travelled divided by time. See here, 10 divided by distance travelled 10 meter divided by 5. Its value 2 meter per second. Here 2 meter per second. Again here also 10 by 5, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. It is the value of speed. Here speed is constant because it is a uniform motion. Speed equals to 10 meter per second. Then calculate the velocity. Velocity equals to displacement divided by time. Here displacement, what is the displacement in 5 seconds? Here 10 meter, it is 10 meter divided by time 5. Again velocity equals to 10 by 5 equals to 2 meter per second. We know that velocity, it is the speed with direction. It is a speed with the direction, with a particular direction is here, in this direction. So, in the case of uniform motion along a straight line, in that case, speed and velocity both are same. Speed and velocity both are same. If object changes its direction, for example, in this position, this object moves like this, in this direction, and it covers same 10 meter distance in 5 seconds. 10 meter distance in 5 seconds. It is uniform motion. Not along a straight line. Here direction changes in this direction. See here speed 2 meter per second. Next calculate, in this case, at this incident, calculate speed. Speed equals to distance 10 meter divided by time 5. So 10 by 5 equals to 2 meter per second. Here speed is constant. Speed is constant, but is it velocity constant? No. Why? Velocity changes because here direction changes. So velocity changes. Okay. So velocity of an object can be changed. Velocity of an object can be changed by changing object's speed or its direction or both. In this case, first here object is moving along a straight line. It is in uniform motion. Then speed and velocity both are same. If that object changes its direction, then velocity changes, speed constant. So velocity of an object changes by changing its direction. Direction changes here, or changing its speed, then velocity also changes, or both, because that velocity, that word contains speed and direction. It contains speed and direction. Okay. Next here, during uniform motion along a straight line, the velocity remains constant. Along a straight line, see here an object is moving along a straight line and it is in uniform motion. In this case, velocity remains constant. Velocity, its value 2 meter per second. So velocity remains constant. Okay. But in non-uniform motion, in the case of non-uniform motion, for example, here is a object, and this object, it covers first 10-meter distance in 5 seconds, and it covers 20-meter distance in 5 seconds, and again it covers 15-meter distance in 5 seconds. See here, it is non-uniform motion because this object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. In the first 5 seconds, it covers 10-meter distance. In the next 5 seconds, it covers 20-meter distance. In the next 5 seconds, it covers 15-meter distance. That means it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. In this case, velocity of an object changes. Velocity changes. Is it right? See here, velocity is equals to, we know that formula, velocity equals to displacement divided by time. Here displacement 10 divided by 5 equals to 2 meter per second it is. And here, in this case, 20 divided by 5 equals to 4 meter per second. So here velocity changes. Velocity changes. So, in the case of non-uniform motion, velocity changes. The rate of change of velocity, it is called acceleration. Here is a new word, it is acceleration. Acceleration. What is meant by acceleration? The rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity, it is called acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, or the change in velocity of an object in unit time. Another definition for acceleration, the change of velocity, the change in velocity of an object, the change in velocity of an object in unit time, it is also called as acceleration. Another definition is here, the rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity, rate means with respect to time. Okay, so the rate of change of velocity, it is called acceleration. Here acceleration formula, acceleration equals to change in velocity, change in velocity divided by time. Acceleration equals to change in velocity divided by time. It is formula for acceleration. Okay, acceleration equals to change in velocity divided by time. Now, consider an object. Here, consider an object is moving in a velocity u. Its initial velocity is u. Consider an object is moving. Now an object is moving in a velocity u. Its initial velocity equals to u. Consider an object. Any object is moving in a velocity u. Initial velocity. And after t seconds, any seconds here, not here generally take t seconds, 5, 10 or 15. Okay, after t seconds, in a time interval t, object, it attains a velocity v. Okay, here object is moving. First object is moving in a velocity u, initial velocity, and after t second, after some time, that object attains a velocity v. It attains a velocity v. So here v, it is the final velocity. So final velocity becomes here v. What is the first velocity of an object? It is u. After t second. After t second, that object attains a velocity v. Then what is the change in velocity in this case? Change in velocity Calculate the change in velocity. Change in velocity equals to, see here, initial velocity u, and after t second it attains a velocity v. What is the change in velocity? What is the change in velocity? Okay, I give here one example. First, velocity is 10 meter per second. An object is moving in a velocity 10 meter per second. Okay, after some time, after a time interval t, that object attains a velocity 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Initial velocity 10, final velocity 20. What is the change in velocity? What is the change in velocity is here? Here 10, here 20. What is the change? 10 meter per second. That means 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 equals to 10 meter per second. So, change in velocity equals to final velocity, it is 20 in this case, minus initial velocity, it is 10 meter per second for in this case. Okay, so change in velocity equals to v minus u. Change in velocity equals to v minus u. Is it correct? So change in velocity is equal to v minus u. Next, acceleration formula. Acceleration equals to change in velocity divided by time. Acceleration, its symbol small a. Okay, small letter a. Here a means acceleration equals to change in velocity. Change in velocity v minus u. V minus u divided by time. Here time is given, time interval t. So, acceleration formula a equals to v minus u divided by time. Acceleration formula a equals to v minus u divided by t. What is meant by a here? A is acceleration. V final velocity it is. U initial velocity and t is time. Next, what is the SI unit of this acceleration? Now see the SI unit. We know that here change in velocity, v minus u means change in velocity. Velocity SI unit, which is the SI unit of velocity? It is meter per second. So meter per second divided by time. Time SI unit second. So meter per second divided by second. Here meter per second means meter divided by second. Is it right? Meter divided by second into second. Into second means here it is the SI unit of this time. So here meter divided by second into second, meter square. So SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Meter per second square. Write like this, or meter per second square. It is the SI unit of acceleration. What is the SI unit of acceleration? Meter per second square. Why here time is taken 2 times? Because acceleration equals to velocity divided by time. Velocity, its SI unit, it contains time. Then again here time. So time into time 2 times. Square. Meter per second squared. Meter per second squared. So acceleration A equals to meter per second squared. So what is meant by acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. It is called acceleration or change in velocity of an object per unit time. It is called acceleration. It's a SI unit, meter per second. Now imagine that if an object travels in a straight line, any object, it is moving in a straight line, and in the first minute its velocity, its speed, it is 10 km per hour, or velocity it may be, its velocity is 10 km per hour. in the first minute. Okay, in the second minute, its velocity becomes 20 kilometer per hour. Here object is moving in a straight line. In the first minute, its velocity 10 kilometer per hour, and in the second minute, its velocity becomes 20 kilometer per hour, and in the third minute, next 1 minute, that means in the third minute, its velocity becomes 30 kilometer per hour, and in the fourth minute, its velocity will be 40 kilometer per hour. In the first 1 minute, velocity 10 kilometer per hour. In the second minute, its velocity will be 20 kilometer per hour. In the third minute, 30 kilometer per hour. In the fourth minute, its velocity or speed 40 kilometer per hour. Observe here, for every minute, here velocity increases at a constant rate. See here 10, 20. What is the difference is here? It is 10 kilometer per hour. Then here 10, 20, 30. Here also difference 10 kilometer per hour, and here also 30, 40 minus 30, again 10 kilometer per hour. So for every minute, object velocity or its speed increases at a constant rate. Here velocity increases. Okay, velocity increases at a constant rate. Then this type of motion, it is called uniform accelerated motion. It is called uniformly accelerated motion. So what is meant by uniformly accelerated motion? Uniform accelerated motion. Accelerated motion Uniform accelerated motion means if an object travels in a straight line, and its velocity increases, or decreases. In equal amounts of, here its velocity increases or decreases. In this case, velocity increases. Okay. Velocity decreases means if consider object traveling in a straight line, its velocity is 50 kilometer per hour. In the first minute, its velocity 50 kilometer per hour. In the second minute, its velocity will be 40 kilometer per hour. In the third minute, its velocity 30 kilometer per hour. See, in this case, here velocity decreases at constant rate. In this case, velocity increases. So, its velocity increases or decreases by equal amount in equal intervals of time. Here velocity increases or decreases by equal amount. Equal amount means here 10 kilometer per hour. Equal amount in equal intervals of time for every 1 minute. Equal intervals of time. Then acceleration of the motion. Acceleration of the object is said to be uniform. Then acceleration of an object of an object is said to be uniform. Okay, then acceleration of an object of an object is said to be uniformly accelerated motion. It is uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, in the same way here, what is meant by non-uniform accelerated motion? Non-uniform accelerated motion means if an object travels in a straight line and its velocity increases or decreases by unequal amount. Here unequal amount, by unequal amount in equal intervals of time. For example, in the first minute its velocity 10 km per hour. In the next minute, that means in the second minute, its velocity 20 km per hour. Okay, in the third minute, its velocity is 25 km per hour. In the next minute, its velocity is 46 km per hour. See here difference, here 20 minus 10, 10, here 25 minus 20, here 5 km per hour, 5. Then here 46 minus 25. See the difference. That means here difference is not same, unequal amount. Okay, so its velocity increases or decreases by unequal amount in equal intervals of time, in equal for every 1 minute, in equal intervals of time. Then acceleration of an object is said to be non-uniform. It is non-uniform accelerated motion. Non-uniform, not uniform, it is non-uniform accelerated motion. Now here, acceleration due to gravity, that means freely falling body. Freely falling body means here is a chalk piece. See, now that chalk piece, it is freely falling. It is freely falling. That freely falling body, it attains uniform accelerated motion. It is an example for uniform accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion. That means that acquires, that chalk piece, it acquires an acceleration due to gravity. So it is called acceleration due to gravity. Gravity gives acceleration for that chalk piece. It is called acceleration due to gravity. Its value, acceleration due to gravity, it is constant, and its value, always its value, g equals to 9.8 meter per second square. It is constant, g equals to 9.8 meter per second square. It is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, acceleration due to gravity. So here small letter g, it is symbol. Okay, its value 9 point. Always it is same. All freely falling bodies, all bodies, it acquires a acceleration. How much acceleration value? 9.8 meter per second squared. 9.8 meter per second squared. Here is a problem related to acceleration. An object at rest starts moving and attains a velocity of 10 meter per second. After 5 seconds, what is the acceleration? Here, first object is at rest, and after 5 seconds, it attains a velocity of 10 meter per second. So, calculate its acceleration. First, write data. What is the initial velocity is here? First object is at rest. So, velocity becomes 0. So, u equals to 0. Why here? Object is at rest. And after 5 seconds, that object attains a velocity of 10 meter per second. It is final velocity. V equals to 10 meter per second. So, t equals to 5 seconds. So, calculate its acceleration equals to how much? Formula A equals to V minus U divided by T equals to V 10 minus 0 U 0 divided by 5 equals to 10 by 5. 10 by 5 value, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So A equals to 2 meter per second squared. Why here meter per second squared? It is the SI unit of acceleration. Which is the SI unit of acceleration? It is meter per second squared. So acceleration equals to 2 meter per second squared. So it is the problem related to acceleration. Okay. Now write questions. First question, define acceleration. Second question, define uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion. And third question, an object at rest problem, an object at rest and starts moving and attains a velocity of 20 meter per second after 2 seconds. 20 meter per second after 2 seconds. What is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? Okay, Sairam.